Daddy silly?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Right, let's turn it around that way.
Uh-huh.
See if that works. Ah, look. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to hold this because I want to film you.
No.
Because, look. Your new ratchet. That's your brand new one. Right, if you want to come here,
No.
I want to take this bit off. So put that on there. Oh no, you want it that way. That's it. Put it on there like that. That's it. Other way. That's it. Is the bolt coming undone? Yeah? Is it done? Can we do it by hand?
Yeah.
Can you do the next one down? Yeah. What do you mean you're too hot?
No.
You're not too hot.
No.
It's hard work, is it?
No.
Yeah, look. Let me show you, okay? I'm going to show you. You can watch. You can supervise. Yeah, I'll bring your chair over here. Yeah, look, you can even sit down and do it. Is that easier to sit down?
No.
No? Okay. Right. There's one bolt. Can you pull that out for me? You pull it, just pull it out. Yeah? Got it? That's it. It's a long one, isn't it? Can you pull that one out? Oh, careful, that's the dipstick. That measures how much oil's in there. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Right, can you pull that bolt out for me? Right. How many left on that one? 2 more? Where are they? Oh. Oh, I see it. There it is. Hang on. Oh. Might need some help with this one.
No.
Push. Oh, God. It's a good job you're strong.
Yeah.
Come on then, crank it down. That's it. That's it, keep going. You taking a mickey at me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Keep going. Good job you got that new one, wasn't it? Look,
Yeah.
it's a really tough one, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like that one we got from Temu, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a bit rubbish, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look, see if it's done, shall we? Shall we see if it's done?
Okay.
Oh, it's coming off. Hang on. Where is it? Oh, yeah, I reckon you got it. Well done.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Right, go on then, pull that. See if you can pull that one out now. You got it? Oh, that's it. Pull. Oh, we've still got one down there, look. Oh, I don't know. Oh. Wow. Shall we leave them in there so we know that it goes in there?
No.
No? Do you think it'd be a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Put it in the hole. In there. You get the other two.
Okay.
That's it. Pop them in the holes. Oh, in these ones. Right. Yeah, look, we can put it on there.
Yeah.
With that pile of rubbish. Right, okay. What about this? Will this come off now? It's coming. Okay. You know that wire Daddy cut?
Yeah.
That's where it went. It went down there.
Yeah.
Not that wire. We was cutting the wires off here, weren't we?
Oh yeah.
You know what we haven't checked? We don't know if the engine turns over, do we?
Yeah.
Should we see if we can turn the engine?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. You got your dipstick, have you? It's not a sword.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is a sword. Oh, okay. Right, hang on. Right. Hang on, we're going to get covered in oil if you do that. Like that. Thank you, son. I tell you what, let's just put that over there out the way for now. Right. Now look. See this big thing here?
Yeah.
Actually, we might have a better chance if we take the spark plugs out first.
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll take the spark plugs out first.
Yeah.
Let's have a look in your new toolbox. Right, I think it's this one.
Okay.
That goes on there. To put it on, you push the button. Push the button.
Okay.
That's it. And look, that stops it from coming off. Right, now then, your spark plugs are in here.
Yay!
Oh yeah, do you want to?
Yay!
I think we need a bigger... Well, that might work. Do you want to come and crack this one with me? So there you go. Right, pull it. To you. Oh, blimey. That's tight, isn't it? Oh, there you go. There you go. Do you want to take it out? That's it. Keep going. That's it. So keep going. Keep going. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Whoa! Easy, tiger! Right. Have we done it? Yeah, look. I think we can do it by hand now.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear, it's a nasty cough.
Yeah.
So what you cold?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Got swimming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah? Does that mean I've got to pick you up from school?
Yeah.
Look! Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
It's called a spark plug.
Mommy.
That's it, spark plug.
Mommy.
It's not mummy, is it? It's a spark plug. Right, let's put this over here. So
Mummy.
let's see if we can get something on there.
Yay.
I don't know. Oh, you've eaten it. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, doing magic again.
Yeah.
Right, okay, should we see if we can undo this one?
No.
Oh,
No.
no, that's not even, it wasn't on there. No. Ah, there you go. Ready? I hit it, you pull it.
No.
Go on, Paul. Okay, let me hear it.
Okay.
There you go, now you can do it. That's it. If you do it, Phoenix, can I just show you? Look. If you do it like this, you don't have to work so hard.
Oh yeah.
No, look, watch. Go like that, and then like that.
Hi.
You don't have to work so hard then. That's it. I always thought you like the easy option. That's it. Let's have a look. Is it ready? Can you get it?
Yeah.
Go on. Do it this way. That's it. That's it.
Oh.
Will this come off? Oh,
Wow.
we're getting a really big pile. We are, aren't we? Eh? We're getting a really big pile. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So, this is how many spark plugs does this have? 4. That's right. Yeah. Oh, a bit rusty.
No.
That doesn't bode well. Right. Do you want undo it.
Yeah.
You have to watch that stud there though. That was where the... I don't know what bit it was. Oh, that was the intake. Was that the intake?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
Okay, at least you're honest. That's it. That's it. Go on then, fast as you can. You got it?
Yeah.
Good job, you're strong. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It might be done now, and we can just pull it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's it. We can just unscrew that. So how many is that we taking out now? 1, 2. There we go. Oh. I'll get that on. Hang on. We need one of these. Over there so you don't lose it.
Okay.
Right. Okay, you ready? Let's see. Oh, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Pull.
Oh!
Oh, go on then. That's it. Big swings. That's it. You got it. Oh, that's easier, isn't it? Perhaps we should have had that long one on to start with. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're learning, aren't we? That's it. I think we got it. Let's have a look. Let's take this off. Yeah, I think. No? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. It's out now. You just take. There we go. Right, there we go. Ready? So that's how many? Oh, that one's a bit rusty. Can you see? Right. Look, watch. I think this is what we want. Let's put this on here.
Okay.
Now, this should turn. You looking?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch this. This turning pushes the pistons up and down, which, when the spark plug's connected,
Yeah.
what does it do? It fires, blows up the petrol, and that fires the piston.
Yeah.
That's it. Right, ready?
No. No.
You can do this?
No.
Look, watch.
No.
You're going to watch. Oh,
No.
it moved. Oh, look. It moved. Oh. Oh, wow. We might be able to... Oh, it's going down quite smooth. Oh, no. Turning.
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh. So it might not be as knackered as I thought.
Yeah.
Look, it's turning. Should we take the top off and have a look at the things
Yeah.
going up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm stuck again.
No.
There we go. Right, okay. So we'll use this one, I think. Right, these ones, your new ones, yeah? So we put them in your new box, all right?
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to lose them, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Right, okay. So let's take that off. Do you want to, if I wheel you over,
No.
because these ones are tiny little ones, I think you'll be able to undo these ones.
No.
I think you will.
No.
Oh,
No.
you're just going to look?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, come in a bit closer so you can see.
Oh.
Okay. Right, watch. See, we got a... Oh, no spinning round.
No.
Right, I don't know what we're going to find under here, but we'll have a look, shall we? Oh. That's it. I think this bit's called the rocker cover.
Hey.
I think. Don't quote me on that. Right, let's put that on there, that on there, and that on there. Right. Oh, that worked. Get that one?
Yeah.
And that one here. Now, did we do these ones? Oh, wow. You sure you don't want to help do these?
No.
Can you help me lift it off? It might be heavy.
No.
No?
No.
You're just looking.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, you won't be able to turn that with your hand. Wait.
No.
Look right. Come back there this way.
No.
Phoenix, come on.
Hi.
Turn round. Right.
Hi.
Wait. You can hold the screws, alright?
No.
Want to help take them out?
No.
No? Okay. You know you said you wanted to help.
No.
Oh, you're just going to watch.
Yeah.
Alright. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay then. Can you put them on the side for me at least? Yeah? Put them up on there nicely. So we don't lose them. Yeah, look. If we lose them, we won't be able to put it back together.
Hi.
Okay? Should we? Yeah, look. Down on the floor there. Yeah, look. Yeah, put them in there. I'll get you the one on the floor.
Hey.
Oh, there you go. Right, you put the other ones in.
Yeah.
Those ones which you threw up there.
Hi.
Got them?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
Oh, you got me. That's another one. Right.
Hey.
There's another. Oh. Do this one. Right. There's that one. Thank you. There's that one. Thank you. Right. Is there anything holding it on? Right. Now then, you got your fingers crossed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah. Where is... Oh, there it is. Our persuader. There we go. Is that a bit loud? Sorry. Have we missed something? Get off my head, you. Put your hands over your ears. Right, they don't screw into there, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Ah, there we go. Right, hang on. You gonna help? You need to stand up and help.
No.
Oh! Look, there's the engine. Shall I turn it so you can see it?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Right, let's put this bit over here. Of course, this is going to go back so easily, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to know exactly where everything goes, aren't we? Yeah? Right, okay. So, if you watch these bits...
Yeah.
Now, does that look like a bad engine or not? Who knows? Ready? Ready? Oh, watch.
Whoa.
You see the cams turning over, look.
Yeah. Me.
Look. So they... Oh, there's definitely a stuck. Something's stuck there. these ones, if you see these here, they're going up and down. Hang on. That one's going down, that one's coming up.
Wow.
They're called the lifters, I think.
Yeah.
They're up, that's down, that's down.
Yeah.
So they should tell us how that one, let's see if they move. Oh, they are all moving. Except for that. Oh no, they're all moving. Do you want to do it? Go on then, sorry. Yeah, do it from this.
Okay.
Hang on, let's get it up to you. Hang on. Right, hang on. Get it on there. Right, go on then. So push down on it. Yeah. So if I pull it up to you, hang on. Let me pull it up to you, and then you can push down on it. Right.
Okay.
Get it on the nut. Right. There you go. There you go. Now you can push down on it. That's it. You turned it.
Wow. No.
You've done enough of that now, have you? Okay. So that bit's come off. Oh. Well, this mechanic part's quite easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Now then. Okay. If we've got to take this bit off.
No.
Yeah, because we need to take this bit off next, and then you can get to see the pistons. Yeah. But I don't really want to take all this bit apart, do I?
Yeah.
Because we're going to get dirty and messy, and I don't know whether that will come up. So if we take that bit off, then that bit comes off, then these should stay in here. It's one less thing to put back together. So we're gonna, you know, your talk, no, not your talk. What ones was it? These ones, wasn't it? Your star drives or whatever they're called. Sounds like we're on the Millennium Falcon, doesn't it? Eh? Right. You know these ones we brought the other day for you. See that there? We've got to find one. I'll tell you what, I bet it's that one.
No.
That's too small. That's way too big.
No.
Don't bash it. They're not for bashing. They cost you a lot of money, they did. Okay. I think it's this one. Yeah, right. I don't know whether this is going to work or not, but we'll give it a go. Okay. Let's have a look. See whether or not. Okay. I thought you'd have a thing there. Fit very well, doesn't it? That's just going to turn it.
Yeah.
Oh. So do we need to hold something down there? Oh, we unscrew there. What are these bits? Oh, no. Hang on. I reckon we undo these. We've got a small one.
Oh.
It's a really, really little one, isn't it? I don't think these go down that small, do they? What do you reckon? Let's have a look. Oh, they might do. Oh. You alright?
Yeah.
No, they're not small enough.
Yeah. No.
Is that going to fall on me?
No.
Okay. Well then. Well. Oh, hang on. Hang on. We have. Let's put them there. Yeah, I know. Aha. Oh.
Hey.
Does that fit in there? Too small. Oh, we got one to fit. You get me again?
Yeah.
You know what you are?
No.
Right, stop spinning. Go on. You getting bored?
Yeah.
Okay. We just take these bit. You finished for the day now.
Mhm.
All right. Okay. Careful. Careful.